Professor Ravindra Sarunke, Educational Counselor.
Paid counseling booking for medical undergraduate. Courses MBBS, BDS, BAMS, BHMS, BPTA, BUMS, BNYS. Counseling fees 15,000 rupees. Counseling type Maharashtra, CET Cell, MCC. All India Deemed University Colleges, MCC. All India Government Colleges, Karnataka Private Colleges and other states. Book your paid counseling, GPay, PhonePe. Number 7796346775. About paid counseling, candidates following services provided. The following services will be provided by us. Online form filling plus support. Call and WhatsApp. Help in filling all types of applications for the admission process. Selection of the right college according to NEET score. Information about all government and private colleges, fee structures. All government and private college grades, that is according to quality as well as rail, plane and road connectivity. A preference order list will be given. List of colleges coming in your budget and guidance for admission in them. Information about all documents required for admission. Admission in good colleges and universities with low NEET scores. Guidance for admission in foreign countries. Complete guidance from registration to final admission. Information about scholarships and various government schemes after admission. Special scholarship guidance for students taking admission in foreign states. Guidance regarding private scholarships for underprivileged students. CSR funding by foundations and companies, plus all scholarships from the Chief Minister's Education Assistance Fund and the Prime Minister's Education Assistance Fund. Rules regarding the admission process of Maharashtra and all states outside Maharashtra, as well as the security deposit, should not be confiscated, not to be disqualified in the admission rounds, cap rounds, and how to maintain balance in the admission process of private colleges in Maharashtra. All India and other states will be properly guided. Complete updates and support up to the stray vacancy round. Updates regarding cutoffs according to each round of the admission process in Maharashtra and other states. Posted to the group from time to time. WhatsApp group and personal guidance when needed. Those who need to meet in person will be given time for personal meeting. Instead of lengthy phone calls, type your questions or write them on paper and send them. Proper solutions to all problems that arise during the admission process. If you want information about a field other than the medical field, or if you want admission, all the guidance will be given. There will be confusion between students and parents, or if students or parents need career counseling, they will be guided. After admission and completion of your 4-year degree, you will be guided for post-graduation, PG, and information will be given on this group from time to time. After completion of the degree, you will be guided for jobs in government and private hospitals. Also, information about government schemes, bank loans and other schemes for individual hospitals will be given to you from time to time on this group. Important 1. Myself, Ravindra Sarunke, have been working in this field since 2001. Every year, approximately 3,000 students are admitted in all types of branches. 2. I have worked as an administrative officer in renowned engineering and medical colleges. 3. I myself give time until all the admission processes are completed. 4. Our entire team has worked as professors in big engineering and medical colleges for many years. 5. If you do not get admission for some reason in the current academic year, you will be refunded 50% of the counseling fee. If you want to participate in the admission process next year, the counseling fee you have paid will be considered for the next year. 6. For students who want to take admission from the management quota, that is NRI quota of the college, our service charges will be rupees 50,000. After payment, send a screenshot and fill in the following format. 1. Student name. 2. Address, state and city. 3. Category. 4. 12th, physics, chemistry, biology. Total 5. NEET score 6. All India rank 7. Course choice. Preference 8. Referred by who referred you 9. Contact number, parents' mobile number, students' mobile number.
ज्ञान गुरु काउंसलिंग सेंटर, प्रोफेसर रविंद्र साळुंखे, एजुकेशनल काउंसलर. Call 9850674719 and 7796346775. Our mail ID is gyanguru.edu@gmail.com. Our main office is in Pune. Our offices are also in Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai. Visit our website thegyanguru.com. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates and information.